Welcome to Beerstories from Beerstory Brewhouse. This video is about 3 myths about racking to a secondary fermenter. Racking your beer over to a secondary fermenter is often a topic. I know many people do this, and they do it because of the wrong reasons. Well, there aren't any right reasons to do it. The big brewery, they do it, but they rack their beer over to a bright tank and let it condition there, and that's something different. Racking to a secondary, people often do it to, they think they will get a cleaner beer. They won't. I make clean beers. They can't get any cleaner than that, so it's wrong. People say you will have less sediment in the bottom of your bottle. Yeah, that's true, but for me it doesn't really matter if you have a little bit or you have a little bit more. You still have sediment in the bottom of your bottle, and you have to pour your beer carefully. So does it matter if there is something in your beer or in your beer? It's not a problem, it's always there. Just pour your beer carefully. You can't avoid it. And number 3, people often say is necessary to mix in the sugar before you bottle your beer. And that's just wrong. I put a sugar cube or a carbonation tab directly in the bottle, put the beer on top, and that's done. It's perfect every time. If you do it in a bucket, often people don't mix the sugar enough, so you will get layered and you will get bottle bumps and flat beer in different bottles, and you will oxidize the hell out of your beer. So there is no reason at all to rack to a secondary. You will oxidize your beer, you risk infections, and you have more to clean. Challenge me on this, write down in the comments. Give me some reason why it's a good thing to rack to a secondary. I haven't thought of anything in the last 10 years, so please challenge me. Have a happy brewing out there.